Washington. Former President Donald Trump announced Tuesday that he will participate in arguments in Washington before a three-judge panel considering whether he is protected from federal criminal prosecution. Oral arguments before U.S. Court Appeals for District of Columbia Circuit will focus on Trump's legal theory that charges, namely his allegation that he engaged in a plot to overturn results 2020 presidential election, should be dismissed because alleged conduct occurred when he became president. A lower court ruled that Trump is not completely immune from prosecution, and outcome of the appeal could potentially derail charges brought by special counsel Jack Smith regarding Trump's actions related to 2020 presidential election. The case will be heard by judges Karen LaCraft Henderson, Michelle Childs and Florence Pan. Last week, two sources with knowledge of Trump's plans told CBS News that Trump was expected to attend the debates in D.C. on Tuesday. The former president confirmed his plan in a social media post Monday morning, claiming he was pursuing voter after the election. However, Smith argued that he engaged in illegal actions to remain in power despite losing at the ballot box. Although defendants have the right to be present at the hearings, Trump's attendance is not mandatory. In a written brief filed ahead of Tuesday's hearing, the former president's legal team wrote that the four charges against Trump, to which he has pleaded not guilty, are illegal and unconstitutional because they target official acts Trump took as president. Trump's lawyers argued that because alleged conduct described in Smith's indictment occurred while Trump was in office, the Constitution provides that Smith can be subject to criminal prosecution only if he is convicted by Senate after an impeachment trial. Trump's lawyers wrote before any prosecutor can ask a court to rule on the president's conduct, Congress must approve it by impeaching and convicting the president. That did not happen here, and therefore President Trump has absolute immunity. It points to former president's impeachment by the House of Representatives in 2021 and subsequent acquittal by Senate, Trump's lawyers wrote. However, the special prosecutor clearly refuted these allegations in his own file. He warned that Trump's legal theory threatens give presidents license to commit crimes stay in office. Prosecutors argued that although Trump has a level immunity from official actions taken while in office, the indictment contains significant allegations of a conspiracy to overturn the election results that fall well outside the outer limits of official presidential responsibilities. Smith's team also argued that Trump was charged with different crimes than the ones he faced during his impeachment trial, so there should be no limitations on his criminal case based on past congressional action. The House representatives impeached Trump over a single article accusing him of